Yes, good morning children. I hope you all are doing well. Yes, now theatre. A reading, the trial has been started. Yes, half of the lesson we have completed and the remaining part is going to be explained now. Just watch it. Welcome back to the class children. Yes, trial lesson. Half of the lesson we have completed and last part of the lesson I am going to explain it. Just listen very carefully. Yes, in the previous class what happened? The Corsels and the John both scolded each other. John called Joan with a word. What is the word? Did you remember that? Okay, and here John called like noodle and Corsels called wanton. What is the meaning of noodle? A head. Okay, senseless fellow. And Corsels called John with wanton. You are a wanton. Wanton means shameless, sinful girl. Okay, and both scolded each other. Is it clear, children? Now, the Inquisitor. Meanwhile, let us not be moved by the rough side of Scheffel-Lawes tongue. Okay, and we shouldn't move by the rough side of Scheffel-Lawes tongue. What is the meaning of Scheffel-Lawes tongue? Okay, let me show the meaning of the Scheffel-Lawes tongue. See children, here we can find the meaning. Here, Scheffel-Lawes tongue means that Joan speaks whatever comes to her mind without any etiquette. Etiquette means manners. Without having manners, she is scolding each and everyone. Okay, that is the meaning of Scheffel-Lawes tongue. Okay, we are having no slip tongue, short tongue. Okay, like that. The meaning is whatever the words are coming without having any manners. Okay, is it clear, children? Yes. Joan. Nay. Nay means that is the old English. Now present English, modern English is called no. No, I am no Scheffel-Lawes. Though I have helped with the sheep like anyone else, I will do a lady's work in the house, spin or weave against any woman in ruin. Okay, I am not a Scheffel-Lawes. I am not an arrogant girl. I will do whatever the work like other women. Okay, like what is that? Spin or weave. Whatever the work the women are doing, I also can do such type of works, she said. The Inquisitor. This is not time for vanity, John. You stand in great peril. Okay, now she said, no, I'm not a, I'm not a Scheffel-Lawes girl. I'm not an arrogant girl. Did she say no? The Inquisitor is saying that this is not time for vanity. Vanity which means proud, feeling pride. Okay, don't feel pride. Joan, you stand in great peril. Peril which means danger. Okay, you stand in great peril. Okay, don't give such type of answers. Who said? The Inquisitor said. Joan. I know it. Have I not been punished for my vanity? If I had not worn my cloth of gold surcoat in battle like a fool. Yes, I am repeating the sentence. Just listen it again. I know it. Have I not been punished for my vanity? If I had not worn my cloth of gold surcoat in battle like a fool, that Burgundian soldier would never pull me backwards off my horse. I should not have been here, she said that. Okay, now in this line what the girl is saying, what the John saying that I have worn, that is gold surcoat. Okay, I have worn the gold surcoat in a battle like a fool. I worn it because of my people, to save my French people. If I not wear this surcoat, the Burgundian means the English soldier would never have pulled me backwards off my horse. I have worn the coat like a fool. I have thought about for my people. I wanted to save my people. That's why I'm here. I thought like a foolish girl. I wanted to save my people. If I have not thought like that, I won't be here. Okay, I wouldn't be here. I should not have been here. Now she felt regret to wear the gold surcoat. Gold surcoat means, I'll show the pictures. What is the meaning of surcoat? Just watch those pictures. See children, this is called surcoat. which means a sleeveless garment worn as part of the insignia of an order of kinghood. Okay, is it clear, children? It is an outer coat of rich material. Just watch it. John felt too much regret to wear such coat to save her country now. Now she felt regret to wear that coat. Yes. Just watch some more pictures. Is it clear, children? I hope you understood it. Yes. Did you watch the pictures, children? Those such type of garment are called surcoats. Okay? Is it clear? Chaplain. If you are so clever at women's work, why do you not stay at home and do it? Here the chaplain is asking that before you said that I am very good at my works. What are those? Spinning or weaving, whatever the works I can do. Now the chaplain is asking, if you are so clever women's work, why do you not stay at home and do it? And why didn't you do that works? Why did you come to the battle? You have to do the women's work. Why did you come to the battle? The chaplain asked. Yes. Now John. There are plenty of other women to do it, but there is nobody to do my work. Okay, John has replied that many women are there to do such type of things. What are those? Spinning or weaving, cooking, mopping, everything they can do. But God selected me to do my work. What is the work? To save French people. To save French people. That's why I am here. God only selected me. Okay. I was selected by the God. That's why I am here. Now, caution. Yes, caution. Come, we are wasting time on trifles. Trifles, which means things of little value or things of little importance. Okay, we are wasting time for little matters. Okay, John, I am going to put a most solemn question to you. Take care how you answer for your life and salvation or at stake on it. Okay. Now here's the caution is asking to the John. I am going to put a most solemn. Solemn means a serious question to you. I'm going to ask you a serious question. Take care of how you answer for your life and salvation or stack on it. Okay. Now you are in the danger. You are on the stack. Okay. Take care of your answers. Will you, for all you have said that done, be it good or bad, accept the judgment of God's church on the earth? Yes, here he is saying that, will you, for all you have said done, okay, everything you have said good or bad, will you accept the judgment of God's church on the earth? Means here God's church means church people, mean the church. Whatever we are giving the judgment, will you accept for that judgment? Who is that? The caution asking. More especially as to the act and words are imputed. Imputed, which means attributed bad quality to somebody. Okay? Yes. Imputed to you in this trial by the promoter here. Will you submit your case to the inspired interpretation of the church militant? Yes. Now he is asking that whatever the judgment is going to give you, will you accept for the proposal? Will you accept the church judgment? He is asking. Who is it? The caution is asking. Now John. I am faithful child to the church. I will obey the church. Yes, here John in an innocent way she is saying that with a worriness. Now she is saying that yes, I am very faithful child to the church. Whatever the church judgment, I will obey the church. If the God says anything, if the church says anything, I will never say no. I will accept the judgment. Whatever you are going to do for me, I will accept it, she said. Caution. Hopefully, leaning forward, you will, John. provided it does not command anything impossible. Whatever the provided thinks, I will accept it. I won't say it is impossible. I will accept the church's judgment, she said. Okay, and finally she was going to burnt as a witch. Yes. Caution sinks back in the chair with high sigh. The inquisitor pursues his lips with frown. Ledvenu shakes his head pitifully. And I already told you, Ledvenu is the person who wants to help the Joan, and he feels pitiful. Means Joan is going to die, so he feels pitiful. Okay, this is the lesson which is written by George Bernard Shaw. Okay, now she was burnt. Okay, how she was burnt? Okay, I'm showing you. Just watch it. See, children, Joan, how she was burning here. The English people, they don't have mercy on her. The flames are reaching her. She couldn't bear the pain. It is an unbearable situation for her. She helped for her people, but see how she facing the problem. She did not do any wrong. Okay, she helped for her people, the French people. Yes, the flames finally reached her. She died now. It is an unbearable situation, isn't it? Did you watch the video, children? Yes, that pain was, she couldn't bear the pain. Finally, she died. Okay, now. See, children, note. At the age of 19, in 1431, she was tried for heresy and then burnt at the stake as a witch. In 1909, she was beatified and in 1920, canonized a saint. Okay? Yes, here, beatified means declare a dead person as a holy one. Declare a dead person as a holy one. Okay, that meaning is beatified. Okay, now. Canonized. Canonized means state somebody a saint. Saint, which means religious holy person. Religious holy person. Okay, now. See, children, surprisingly, after 500 years, in 1909, she was beatified, even more than that. And in 1920, she was canonized as a saint. Okay, and before 500 years back, she was burnt as a witch. Now she was canonized after 500 years. She was beatified and canonized as a saint. Okay, what is the use? Now everybody, they are declaring as a saint. Now she is no more. Okay, now they have, the English people, they declare Joan as a saint. Okay, now what did she say? She is not a witch, which means the person who practices the black magical powers. Okay, she is not a witch. Really, she is a saint. She is a holy person. She is sent by the God. Now they declared it. When after 500 years they declared it, what is the use? There is no use at all. Yes, so did you understand, children? This lesson, what we have read now, this was really happened in those days. Okay, it is not a fake story. It's not a just normal story. It's a real story. Okay, after that, our great, is it not clear? Is it clear now? Yes, I will show you in a clear way. Okay. Yes, after 500 years, she was beatified as a saint. Okay, after few years, our great dramatist, who is that, George Bernard Shaw, has written her story as a name Have you seen? Saint John. Is it clear? This is the novel. Yes, Saint John. Is it clear, children? He wrote a novel that named Saint John. It is an extract. It is a small part. That is the lesson we are having now. That is the trial. Is it clear, children? Yes, let me say about George Bernard Shaw. Did you watch the videos, children? Is it clear to you? I hope you understood the lesson very well. Thank you. Have a